me, Tiago, and Adlina. This is our review for the same YouTuber that wanted all the Thomases, and hopefully the guy likes it. Let's start with all of our trains. So these are all our motorized trains. Jungle Thomas, Huff and Puff, Superstation Thomas, Talking Christmas Thomas, Escape the Scrapyard Thomas, Cursed Image of Thomas, Blood in the Dark Thomas, Streamline Thomas, Speed and Spark Thomas, Real Steam Thomas, Old Trackmaster Talking Thomas, Hyperglow Thomas, Birthday Thomas, Meteor Thomas, Edward, the best day ever Edward, Henry returns to Sodor, Talking Gordon, Busy Bee James, the fastest rainbow engine on Sodor, Old Percy, Old Trackmaster Talking Percy, Racing Percy, Remote Control Percy, Adventure Percy, Toby, Talking Toby, Samson, Nia, Hyperglow Nia, Rebecca, Harvey, Hero, Patchwork Hero, Philip, Diesel 10 comes out of an explosion, Merlin, the Flying Scotsman, Victor, Kevin, Hugo, Spencer gets a new coat of paint, Connor, Racing Diesel, Young Bao, Hyperglow Ashima, Gina, Lexi, Steven, Would You Rather Gator, Flynn, 2004 Emily. These are all our motorized engines, isn't that? Yes! So hopefully the guy who commented on this, hopefully he likes it.